Thanks for watching this video. If you're doing so, it's because maybe you're interested in our package. So let me remind you that we are a group of students passionate by VR, and we want to bring these new products to the world. So when you buy and download our package, you will find something like this. You will have a futuristic environment with some boxes, and you will be able to interact with them. The first level of interaction, the first of 3 levels, will be focusing on the object. Whenever you look at an object, you will be highlighting its render texture like this. The second level of interaction will be movement. So when pressing the magnetic trigger, in this case the mouse click, you'll be able to move our object, okay, through all the screen. As you can see, physics are also enabled, so you will be able to crush your object as I'm doing right now. Important feature of our package is that we're able to place our cubes on top of each other, as I'm doing here, okay? So I can move my cube and then put it on top of the other. The second, or maybe the third level of interaction, it's rotation. So when clicking the magnetic trigger again, we're able to rotate our object. The main objective of VR applications is to keep things simple. So when rotating our head, moving along the y-axis, we're going to produce this rotation here. While going up and down, we'll have this other rotation, and the third rotation will be the z-axis will be while rolling our head. So you can see, rolling our head implements this kind of rotation also. The rotation will be faster if our angle or relative angle between the object and the cursor will be bigger, okay? So if I get far from the object, the rotation is bigger, as you can see. So let me show you what we can do with these boxes here. Let's build something simple. So let's get the A here, let's face it towards us, okay? Then let's get the B and put it on top, okay? And finally let's get a C and put it also on top of the B. So okay, you will see which is the interest of our package when, sorry about that, you know, when you press the click mouse with the Alt, you switch between modes. So okay, finally we did it. We have the A, B, C boxes all aligned. Okay, and I'm going to show you what happens if I crush, okay, the boxes. So this is a simple way of obtaining an interaction between the user and object of the scene without any kind of device, just by clicking your magnetic trigger, or even pressing your screen. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this application. We will keep on building things, cool stuff like this one. As I told you before, we are a group of students. We don't want to obtain really big benefits of this, but just try to support our work, because it helps us a lot to keep on doing great stuff like this. Okay, thanks, and consider journal in this package will be essential asset in your VR projects. So thanks for watching this video. Let me finish by just showing what happens if we want to do the same thing but without the physics. So we have also an option in our script that you will find in the event system, in which we are able to say we don't want the physics on, so we can move our objects without colliding with the others, so it will be easier to build our tower, you know. For example, in this case you can see that it's much easier to build these sort of things if physics are not enabled. So you have the two options. You have the option with the physics, you have the option without the physics. You can also change the speeds of the rotation, movement of the objects while looking at the environment. So everything is completely customized. So again, thanks for watching, and keep tuned, because we're going to bring more and much more better stuff to these VR experiences.